Hello, my name is Tsira Kahaza and I'm the sales director of Lighthouse Company. In this video, we will be discussing the updates of Blue Sky Tower during the first and second quarters of 2024. For those unaware, Blue Sky Tower is a development project located in prime touristic area of Batumi, Georgia, and consisting of two blocks. Block A, a 5-star Holiday Inn resort with turnkey apartments, and Block B, customizable apartments designed for personal use or investment purposes. Now let's get into the main updates of Block A and B in Blue Sky Tower over the last 6 months. In Block A, the VC works is completed, the sewage system is completed, the screed for all apartments is ready, the fire safety system is now functioning based on the NFPA standards. Air conditioners are now installed in almost all apartments. All of the ceramic tile works is done and ongoing inside painting is currently in the works. Right now we are in Block A, so let me walk you through the main updates and show you the most popular apartment options. The furnishing of apartments on 3 floors of Block A has begun. Right now we're in a bathroom. As you can see, we used a special natural stone. Right now we're in the kitchen, and as you can see, even inventory slabs is installed. Now the updates for Block B. The fire safety system installed according to the NFPA standards. The screed is ready, the plastering is complete, and the balcony peeling is now finished. In Block B, doors have been installed up to the 25th floor. Screed has been used on all floors, and by the end of the third quarter, it will be possible to begin renovations. Flag stations have also already been installed for heating, and like in Block A, only the corridors and common areas are still in progress. To contact us or find out more information about the project, please use the links in the description below this video. We look forward to sharing more updates and progress with you very soon.